In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your account settings on Hootsuite.com, including the unfortunate but sometimes necessary task of deleting your account. Whether you're tidying up your digital presence, moving to a different platform, or simply taking a break from social media management, I'll guide you through each step with clarity and effectiveness. Let's dive in and start with the first thing you need to do, heading over to Hootsuite's homepage. Simply type www.hootsuite.com into your browser's address bar. You'll be greeted with the homepage of this powerful social media management tool, showcasing various features and offers. However, for our purpose today, locate and click on the Login button. This should be relatively easy to spot, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Upon clicking Login, you're prompted to enter your email address. Make sure it's the address associated with your Hootsuite account to avoid any login issues. Fill in the field with your email, then proceed to the next step, which involves entering your password. Password entry is crucial for security reasons, so make sure you enter it correctly. If you've forgotten it, there's always a password reset link. After your credentials are entered correctly, confirm by clicking on Sign In. Now that you're logged in, welcome to your Hootsuite dashboard. This hub is where the magic happens, from scheduling posts to analyzing social media engagement, but today our focus is on a different area. Look for your profile or account settings, which should be easily accessible from the dashboard. Within the profile settings, you're looking for the Plan and Billing option. This is where all your subscription details are managed, including upgrades, downgrades, and you guessed it, account deletion. After navigating to Plan and Billing, you'll find several options related to your account's financial and subscription aspects. Among these options, look for a somewhat less conspicuous choice labelled Delete My Account. It's important to proceed with caution beyond this point, as deleting your account is a significant step. Upon selecting Delete My Account, a confirmation screen will usually appear, sometimes asking you to confirm your decision. Hootsuite, like many platforms, wants to ensure you're making an informed decision, so they might present reasons to stay or offer alternatives to account deletion. If your mind is already made up, look for the button or link that continues the deletion process, which might be phrased as Delete Account or Continue to delete my account. Clicking this will likely bring you to a final confirmation screen. This is your last chance to cancel the process, so review your decision one last time. If you're sure, proceed, and your account will be set for deletion. Hootsuite might ask for a final confirmation, perhaps through entering your password again or clicking a final Delete Account button. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through Hootsuite's interface to delete your account. Remember, this action is usually irreversible, meaning all your data, settings, and scheduled posts will be lost. Before undertaking this process, it's a good idea to ensure you have backups of any important data or information stored within your Hootsuite account. Deleting your account on a platform like Hootsuite is a straightforward but careful process that requires attention to detail at each step. Whether your departure from Hootsuite is permanent or just a break, knowing how to manage your digital presence is an invaluable skill in today's interconnected world. And with that, our journey through Hootsuite's account management and deletion process comes to an end. I hope this guide was helpful in navigating through the various steps and decisions involved in managing your Hootsuite account. Remember, the digital world is vast and ever-changing, so stay informed and thoughtful about where and how you choose to engage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.